Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're hopping on board one of North London's essential lifelines, the W6 bus route. This isn't just any bus ride, it's a journey through the heart of the boroughs of Edmonton Green and Southgate, connecting key transport hubs and vibrant local communities. So, grab your Oyster card, find a seat, and let's explore the story of the W6. The W6 runs between the bustling Edmonton Green bus station and the leafy suburb of Southgate. It's a route that truly serves its local population, linking them to tube and train stations, shopping centres, and beautiful parks. Operated by Arriva London, this route is a daily workhorse. Operating 7 days a week, first bus leaves Edmonton Green at 5:50 am Monday to Saturday. Whether it's the crack of dawn or the middle of the night, the W6 is there, providing a reliable service for everyone from early morning commuters to late-night workers. Let's trace its path. Starting at Edmonton Green, a major transport and shopping hub, the W6 immediately gets to work. It weaves its way through the residential streets of Edmonton Green, Church Street, Northern Avenue, Hasselberry Road and Silver Street, providing a crucial link for people who might be a bit of a walk from the main train line. One of the first major points it serves is Palmer's Green. Here, it offers a fantastic connection to the Great Northern Railway services at Palmer's Green Station, making it a key part of many people's daily commute into central London. From Palmer's Green, the W6 continues its journey westward. This part of the route is really interesting because it navigates through Alderman's Hill, Cannon Hill, Ye Old Cherry Tree, Southgate College, and finally terminating at Southgate Station. Southgate Station is on the Piccadilly line, offering direct access to the West End, Heathrow Airport, and King's Cross St. Pancras. The W6's arrival here is a game-changer for local residents, saving them a long walk or an extra connection. As the W6 makes its return trip to Edmonton Green bus station, it serves countless homes, schools, and local businesses along the route. This section really highlights the local nature of the W6 routes, which are designed to connect communities within a borough. The W actually stands for Wood Green, the area where these routes were originally centered when they were first introduced. Finally, the W6 pulls into Southgate bus station, located right next to the iconic, grey-to-listed Southgate tube station. Another gem on the Piccadilly line, this beautiful Art Deco station is a destination in itself. From here, passengers can disperse into the charming area of Southgate, with its lovely parks, cafes, and shops. Now for a few fun facts. The W6 has seen its fair share of changes over the years. It was one of the routes that trialed the switch to double-decker buses to increase capacity, which proved to be a failure. Today, you'll see modern hybrid Enviro 200MC single-deckers gliding along the route, making the journey smoother and more environmentally friendly. The route's frequency is also impressive, with buses running every 8 to 12 minutes during the day, ensuring you never have to wait too long. So, the next time you see that red single-decker with W6 on the front, remember it's more than just a bus. It's a vital artery connecting thousands of people to their jobs, their families, and their city. It's a testament to how London's bus network keeps the capital moving, one neighborhood at a time. Thanks so much for joining me on this virtual bus journey today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of London's bus routes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments which bus route you'd like me to cover next. Until then, safe travels.